So this is a short video about why anybody should be studying finance. And I want to start with job opportunities. And you can see that I found it on comparably.com, where annual average pay was about $100,000, which was significantly higher than many other majors. And I was able to find 126,000 finance job listings on Indeed.com. And again, it was significantly higher than many other majors. Finance as a field is really diverse, and finding jobs in different fields of finance, like insurance, investment, wealth management, banking, it just keeps adding up into these opportunities. We do have finance alumni that work at top companies in the US and around the world. And we are very proud of it. We have students who work at Morgan Chase, Deutsche Bank, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, Merrill Lynch, HSBC, Banco Sabadell, and obviously many others. There's also BlackRock, and we're also very proud of those too. And it just, our alumni seem to have this network, and they seem to be working at these great companies with great success, and very proud of it. We look at it, finance as a craft. It is a science and art, and so we don't really focus just on the financial side, the science side of it, but we also bring in the art as a craft. So our finance majors complete a CFA-approved curriculum. So that's your theoretical side of it. All our finance majors will get Bloomberg certified for free. We're actually paying for it. And that also combines the application of what we're teaching into the real life. And we also show you how to invest and trade. And we basically are hoping that, once you're done with our curriculum, you'll be able to apply and practice many subfields of finance, but primarily investing, wealth management, and trading. We have a student managed investment fund, which is very, very unique. We have $1 million in real funds, and many universities may have different student managed investment funds, but ours don't have any restrictions, which means that we can actually invest in anything we want. We could go long, we could go short, we could have options, futures, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and we have traded significantly. And for the past 5 years, we actively traded it. We had thousands of trades every year. We net about 300 or 400 actual trades, and we paid about $386,000 of scholarships since 2017. So we're not looking to grow our fund, but we are trying to use it as a learning tool, as a learning experience. And whatever we make, we actually paid out as scholarships. We have a closed Facebook group where we try to create a network of our current students with our alumni. And we'd like to believe that this live environment also creates great friendships and hopefully very fruitful, academic, professional, and friendships. So many of our students ask us, what about math? I hate math. I'm not good at math. Well, you need math for every field in business. But I think the notion of finance requiring advanced math is not all that true. There are fields of finance, quantitative finance, where you actually need significant finance, yes. And in fact, a math major would make a fantastic candidate for a quantitative finance field. But it's just one field of finance. There are so many others that basically focus on the craft of finance, tools of finance, perhaps the application of finance, and the actual practice of finance. So just for a few additional courses, you can add a finance as a double major and learn the craft of finance, where if you have a passion about a field, we encourage you to bring it up, and we will consider it with all our students as a team, and we'll make investments. And while we're making these investments, we'll learn about how to evaluate companies, how to make the investment, how to make the actual trade, how to create a portfolio, what other areas of fields or fields of finance that we can actually apply what we learned, and what tools of finance that are available to us. And it just becomes part of a domain where we use these tools to apply in financial matters. And many people believe that they may not need finance, but everybody saves up for retirement. Everybody buys a house. Everybody has a credit card. Everybody finances a car. Without realizing you're actually doing significant finance. And learning the craft of finance makes your life a whole lot easier, and prepares you for a better retirement, prepares you for better financial decisions through your life. And you may not even want to work in financial fields, but having the knowledge of finance will make your life financially a little easier. So like I said, just a few additional courses and you can actually double major in finance, and we look forward to answering your questions. Thank you for watching. Take care now.